are you? Well, excellent, me too, thank you very much for asking. It is Sunday, it is chilly, autumn is definitely here, and we are off to an artisan market where there's loads of food samples. Excellent, let's go. Then that was a good visit to the artisan market. Susanna had some very nice sausages which she very much enjoyed. Did you like them? Excellent. The master of words, Susanna Scholes, ladies and gentlemen. And now we're heading our way to a garden centre because apparently we have to buy more flowers. So that's where we're going. Oh, just a plant, yeah, no, not flowers. What's the difference? I don't know. Morning Jabbers, how the devil are you? Well, excellent, me too, thanks for asking. Good start to the day, excellent cardio session. Still protecting the calves, so doing the cross trainer at the moment, but getting the distance into the legs, keeping my heart rate nice and high. Managed about 75 minutes today before I got bored and then went for a massage on the hydro massage, and now I'm going to shower and then get myself sorted. I'm going to be doing some filming a little bit later on this afternoon, so I need to get myself sorted for that, and I've got a load of editing I need to get out of the way as well, and then hopefully try and get some more work, some more business coming my way, because that'd be nice. Alright then, filming with Nick, all done and dusted, that was good. Chance to see as well how they do a boiler service, which was pretty cool. Now I'm off to go and quickly see the old landlord and landlady, crack into some editing of that stuff, and yeah, wait for Susanna to finish work at 5:30. Alright then, I am done for the day in Newbury. Susanna's going to drive herself home because I'm going to stay in Andover tomorrow. No point in coming to Newbury. No meetings planned or anything like that. Just work of editing I've got to crack onto. So I'm going to drive myself home. She's got her car, she can drive back in that. Fingers crossed she's got her car keys today. That would be nice. And tonight is vegetarian night. I'm going to bring it back because I quite enjoyed making vegetarian meals now and again. So I'm going to bring it back and make a vegetarian stir fry this evening. Just been to buy the chestnut mushrooms. Really great option if you're having a vegetarian meal and you want something that gives a bit of a meaty chew to it and flavour. Chestnut mushrooms are awesome, especially in stir fries. And I'm going to get myself back to Andover now, get cracking on the cooking, and maybe edit the vlog for today as well. That would be a good start, wouldn't it? So far I've added peppers, courgette, mushrooms, chestnut mushrooms that is, some cashew nuts, a little bit of spring onion and a full onion as well. Going to add in some hoisin sauce in a moment. We've got broccoli boiling away in here with vegetable stock, and we're going to add to that the egg noodles. Drop in a bit of spinach at the last minute to wilt it down, and just add a very, very small amount of this fantastic sesame oil on top of the meal. Once it's all finished cooking, tastes the DSP.